everyone, this is Marielle Dudinopo from BSc English 1B. So, after reading a few chapters from the book An Introduction to Language and Linguistics by Ralph Fossold and Jeff Connor Linton, the instructor provided questions for us to answer. So, let's proceed to the very first question, which is, how does language contribute to human leverage compared to other species? Humans, compared to other species, developed an ability to use sounds in system which could communicate meaning. It became easier for humans to communicate and connect with each other to produce a much more desirable and efficient outcome. History, for example, was recorded and interpreted with language. The development and refinement of various tools to meet a broad range of needs was only accomplished because of language. The most advantageous adaptation of human species is having the ability to be able to communicate and express themselves freely. So, on to question number 2, which is to differentiate the different properties of language. The first property of language is modularity. It is when people produce and interpret language using a set of component subsystems or modules in a coordinated way. Each module is responsible for a part of the whole job. The second property of language is constituency and recursion. All languages are organized into constituents, allowing complex units to enter where simpler ones are also possible. Recursion, on the other hand, allows repetition and combination of constituents to produce an infinite variety of sentences. The third one is discreteness. It is a distinction. It distinguishes languages and their sounds. The fourth one is productivity. Languages are infinitely productive. Productivity is a way in which languages change in order to meet the changing communicative needs of their speakers. The fifth one is arbitrariness. It means that the principle of one language for arranging words are no better or worse than the other. The sixth one is reliance on context. It is the duality. It figures out the meaning of words and interprets the meaning of the entire utterance. The seventh and last one is variability. It is the difference and diversity of languages and their uses. So let's proceed to question number 3. What does this line mean? Language varieties differ because over time, they have adapted to the different needs of their speech communities. Each language does things differently. The dominant group perceived to have higher status and the less powerful group are stigmatized as incorrect or bad. Do you agree or disagree about this statement? This means that language has productivity and variability. Languages progress along with the people. It does not remain constant or unchanging. Language has diversity and variability, so there is no reason to say that one language is better than the other. I agree with the first 2 sentences but disagree on the last one. So that is all for today. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye!